how does it feel when we set boundaries? And how can we do that more often? So why, and then the how. And we really want to look at what emotions and habits and automatic responses are involved with this. And what do we get out of our unhealthy boundary setting? We also want to peek at that because there's something there. And usually it's an old way of being, an old conditioning, and it served us at some point. And what I also want to do is give you the opportunity to sit here, be present with us, and make sure that you're comfortable and that you can really go inward, that you can give yourself this time to check in, because I'm going to ask you to do that, and to really determine what you want to put your energy towards now and moving forward, tomorrow and the next 30 days. So we're going to talk about that. And I also, my goal is to help you shift some of these patterns. And it is no fun to end the day feeling resentful or neglected or exhausted and completely depleted. We don't want to end the day like that. And it's very hard to start a new day with that still hanging over us. So once we've talked about the why about boundary setting and the how we want to feel and be when we're doing it, we're going to move towards taking action. And I've got tools and strategies that we're going to discuss tonight.